What is Deno and what is its compatibility?
Deno is a runtime for JavaScript/TypeScript that aims to be web compatible and use modern features wherever possible. It is compatible with browser applications, meaning that a Hello World program in Deno is the same as the one you can run in the browser.
What is the best way to start with Deno and what knowledge do you need beforehand?
This document assumes that you have some prior knowledge of JavaScript, especially about async/await. If you have no prior knowledge of JavaScript, it is recommended to follow a guide on the basics of JavaScript before attempting to start with Deno.
How can you create a Hello World program and run it in Deno?
Create a file locally called first_steps.ts and copy and paste the code line below. Now to run the program from the terminal, use the command deno run first_steps.ts.
Can you execute scripts from URLs in Deno and how?
Yes, Deno has the ability to execute scripts from URLs. Deno hosts a library of example code, one of which is a Hello World program. To run that hosted code, use the following command.
Why do some programs return errors regarding network access in Deno and what can be done to solve this issue?
Some programs might return errors regarding network access in Deno because it is a runtime that is secure by default. This means you need to explicitly give programs permission to do certain privileged actions, such as access the network. To solve this issue, use the correct permission flag when running the program. For example, use instead of.
How can you fetch data from a web server in Deno using HTTP requests and what is the format of a small program that does this?
To fetch data from a web server in Deno using HTTP requests, you can use the Fetch API just like in the browser. Here is an example of a small program that fetches a file and prints its contents out to the terminal.
How can you read a file in Deno and what is the format of a small program that does this?
Deno provides its own API for reading files as file system APIs do not have a web standard form. Here is an example of a small program that reads each command line argument that is assumed to be a file name, opens the file, and prints it to stout. Remember to give allow read access to the program using the correct permission flag when running the program.
What is one of the most common use cases for Deno and how can you build an HTTP server using Deno?
One of the most common use cases for Deno is building an HTTP server. To build an HTTP server using Deno, create a new file called http_server.ts and copy and paste the following code. The server can be started using the command Deno run allow.net http://server.ts after giving network permissions.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.